Okay, ada 10 item punya ikan krill. Sini termasuk punya ikan krill. So, ikan krill ni jangan ambil malam kena ambil siang hari je. Pagi hari kunyah, minum dengan air suam. Atau minum air apa pun, air kopi ke, air teh ke, tapi suam. Dalam keadaan suam minum, dia baguslah, dia melegakan jantung you all. Okay, tadi petang I pakai ni. Tadi pagi I pakai ni, Vibrant Glamour. Vibrant Glamour ni bagus you all. Dia kalau pakai dekat mata, refresh, fresh sangat. Tiba-tiba rasa fresh, rasa macam you kena cuba, you kena beli dan cuba. So I akan colour warna ni malam ni lah you all. Malam ni sebab maghrib I tak pergi I solat maghrib tapi I tak pergi masjid. I solat sendirian pada waktu maghrib. So I pergi 4 waktu je di masjid. You all. Okay, dan petang ini kita ada I boleh kongsi dengan you all dan sekarang ni ada seluar baggy, seluar latest fashion sekarang. I boleh pakai dengan baju baggy ni pun boleh pakai je, sesuai je. Sebab sekarang ni jaga tunjuk kat you all pakai. So sekarang ni I pakai seluar kaki kecil kan, straight cut sekarang ni. So now sekarang ni I am unboxing this one from I baru tengok dalam box I punya post box from TikTok. I don't know, just arrived already yesterday ke, tak tahu lebih ke. Sekejap, I terlupa tengok parcel because a lot of parcel I received every day. Kadang-kadang bunyi loceng pun tak jawab pun you all. Dia tak menandakan ada parcel. Loceng pagar, loceng ada kat pagar. Rumah ni ada loceng kat pagar, bukan not at the door. Okay, I do put the loceng at the, I tak tahu harga size dia besar ke kecil. Tapi dia boleh kena pakai dengan baju baggy. Luar ni baggy, kita kena pakai dengan seluar baggy. Kalau pakai baju ketat, seluar baggy, dia elok pula kan. I ada swimming suit. Tapi bukan swimming shirt. Bukan swimming suit, swimming shirt. Tunjuk kat you all. I buka ni. I don't know my size or not. Tapi size dia double XL. Tak tahu lah badan tak dengan I. Labuh kot. Dia Adidas. Tapi dia baggy style. Seluar baggy, seluar Adidas. Tapi this one is baggy, loose style lah. So let me see. So you can see now, I share dengan you all. Sekarang I berdiri kat sana. You tengok I pakai. Cantik ke tak cantik you all? Sekejap. Sampai ni. I order dah berapa hari dah. Baru tengok you all. Labu ni baggy cut. Tapi kata kecil je. Kat bawah. Baggy berbenda ni. Silap kok. I think silap lah. Ni tak baggy. Baggy dia kembang gitu. Ni tak baggy straight cut je. Baggy bawah dia pendek je dia kata. Entahlah you all. Tak baggy, dia baggy dia macam bell gitu, macam bell bottom gitu. Macam mana? Kena refund balik, kena return balik. Kena refund is not the product. Belah you all sekejap. I buka sekejap seluar ni, I pakai. I tunjuk kat you all. Petang ni. Tipulah TikTok ni. Baggy apa ni, bukan baggy. Straight je. Tak. Baggy ni macam loceng gitu kan. Bel cutting. Sama macam seluar yang ketat tu je. Ada seluar macam ni. This one semua design besar je. Yang tu ketat. Yang ni tak bel, tak straight pun. street dia bawah ni je, line dia pendek je. Silap you all. I kena hantar balik. Kena refund balik. Silap. Not the same as like advertise. Kena hantar balik lah. So this one is macam yang I dah ada. Sama je you all. Bukan baggy. I order for baggy palazzo. Sekarang palazzo kan? Palazzo. Tak ada makanan. Bukan, it's not palazzo, salah you all. Silap you all. Kena tak boleh refund balik, jangan receive je. Just hantar balik je lah you all. Size dia double XL you all. Double XL. Cuma tak ketat macam yang I pakai tu lah. Itu memang size dia ketat. Dia memang pattern dia ketat. Yang size yang longgar tu palazzo straight cut. Dia bukan straight cut. Ini size untuk orang besar. Double XL. Silap you all. Kena return balik. Tak, fashion dia bukan macam ni. Fashion dia kalau yang palazzo tu dia punya strap tu pendek je. Strap dia pendek je, strap dia tak panjang macam ni. Faham tak? Wrong, so be careful. Dia pakai tali kasut juga. So dia macam ni. This one untuk straight cut. This one is slim fit. Kaki kecil untuk size orang besar. Orang punggung besar. Silap you all. Okay you all. Nanti I refund balik. Nanti I kongsi dengan you all balik lah. Dia akan hantar yang baru lah you all. Silap dia you all. This one bukan. This one classic fashion. Casual style fashion free. High quality. No, wrong. Ini kena refund balik. Not this one, okay? So malam ni kita buat live. I colour rambut. Warna chestnut. So bukan yang ini salah. I tunggu. Tak sampai pun. Bukan, silap salah. Bukan, it's not a fashion. Mungkin dah habis stok kan, dia hantar yang ni. Yang dah tak ada stok, dia hantar. So you have to be very very careful you all. You check dulu. Not this one, okay? You think tipu you all. Stop. Bagi style dia, strap dia kecil je. Strap dia pendek je. Dia kaki dia besar, L gitu. Silap ini. I order yang style kekini you all. I warning you awal-awal. Itu kadang tipu you all. Seller tipu. Kena hantar balik. Sial lah. Kenapa ni aku ni? Keluar nama dia pula. call lah punya mood hari ni. You all. Ayat dia boleh pakai dah hari ni. Dan baggy lah, palazzo lah. Selaka lah. Ni aku bodoh kan. Aku nak accept tu. Slim fit. Apa yang slim fit untuk body pengumum besar. Sial ni. TikTok. Saka tak. Sabar je lah you all. Baik aku tak sumpah seranah. Sial mampus you all. Okey lah you all. Kejap
When I tried this morning earlobe trick to help my memory, everyone thought I was crazy. But when they saw how much I changed, they all...
You are crazy. Okay, you are. Hilap you all. Masang. Celine memang selaku. Kena dengan aku. Bambu cukup Celine ni. Tak ada cakap, tak ada kan. Ternyata aku ni buta ke kampung ke aku tak tahu fashion ke. Gila. Sial betul lah. Okay lah you all, kita dah lewat, kita nak kongsi apa tadi, Allah yang memberikan kehidupan tadi kan. Sekejap oh kita punya mood you all. Sekejap apakah suara balik you all. Takkan suara macam mana nak cakap pasal nama Allah you all. Padam pun suara. Suatu saiz besar, dapat XL tu untuk orang saiz 70 kilo. Faham tak? Tu bukan palazzo, bukan XL, bukan baggy. Fashion sekarang baggy. Yang you bagi yang tu, yang ketat tu yang betul lah, saiz I. Artinya saiz is a fashion untuk pakai dengan baju labuh. Baju labuh pakai seluar besar. Baju steng baru pakai dengan seluar besar. Jangan tolong lah. Okay lah you all. I nak makan biskut ni dulu sekejap. Tea time belum minum, belum makan apa pun tea time you all. Makan jacket cream crackers ni sekejap. Dengar lagu dulu lah you all sementara tu. Aku nak dahak ni tak. Dia dah tunggu berhari-hari kan. Baik-baik hantar yang old fashion punya. Sial gila. Okay, I share dengan you all. Kalau rambut you all dah bleach untuk dapatkan warna yang lighter colour, macam light chestnut ke, as a highlight. Tapi you jangan colour warna ni ya. Miranda colour coffee. Miranda coffee ni, bila you apply 1 jam you letak, and then dia basuh, rambut you become orange, only slightly darker than this color. Dia akan jadi orange color, orange kelakar you all. nampak macam ulu you all. So color dia color ni. Masukkan color ni, ever color, dan ataupun color ni, coffee ni. So jangan pakai coffee ni. Coffee ni dia nak gambar dia je tunjuk gelap coffee, color coffee ni. So bila you pakai, you letak kat rambut blonde, dia become orange. Ever color saja yang apa tu, dia dah buat color apa tu untuk jadi chestnut color buah berangan, color buah berangan. Okey, lepas tu efek color dia, color ni dia akan jadi brown, light brown macam tu. Dia campur dengan copper, dia ada light efek copper tone. Tengok nanti I pakai, I buat 1 jam. You jangan letak setengah jam, 15 minit, jangan. So this one 1 jam tetap orange. You pakai 2 jam pun warna orange. Kata ni bukan nak menghuduhkan nama Miranda, tak. Memang color dia memang gitu. So this one color baru. So this one color ni, kalau you rambut blonde ni, you dah bleach depan ni, dapat warna ni. Dapat warna, tapi dia still macam koko kemerahan gitu. Not nice. Kulit you karat, jadi birat. Rupa you akan jadi birat. Faham tak? So the color ni, you must know to play the color, to choose the color. Faham? Okay you all, kita balik dengar lagu lagi sampai habis. I order dengan handphone ni. I order. Later lah, lepas malam karang bawa kena cakap dengan seller tu. Mati sekejap. Actually petang ni I nak main lagu Millennium. I nak main lagu Millennium untuk you all actually. I nak buat live lagi awal daripada tadi you all. Kan aku tujuh dah you all. Tak sempat ya I nak cakap pasal apa tu, the name of Allah, the giver of life. Hari ni nak bagi tahu kat rakan-rakan overseas tu yang masih dalam kegelapan, bagi pencerahan lah, insya-Allah lah ya all. Orang Rusia dah makin ramai masuk Islam sekarang. Tak ada, dia cerdik negara dia walaupun dia komunis dulu. Dia tak benarkan church berada di negara dia. Gerobokan, apatah lagi temple tak akan ada, tak akan dibenarkan. Putin is very strict, very Islamic. So a leader. So I respect Putin for that. Faham tak? Sebab dia tahu sejarah Nabi Muhammad, Nabi apa? Ibrahim, Nabi Ismail tu kan. Dia tak benarkan di Kaabah tu ada segala patung, tak ada itu. Faham? Dia bijak. Dia tak bongok dan Layu all, you faham sendiri Layu all. Dia Islam betul. Faham? Bukan Islam siplak. Dia study. Macam I juga study. Tapi dalam ucapan Aidil-Adha tu, I cakap simple. So you sendiri cari sejarah Nabi Ibrahim, Prophet Abraham lah pula. Kan you bodoh kan nak bagi tahu details satu persatu, panjanglah I punya ucapan. I pun tak bongok you all. Okay you all. Terima kasih. Okay. Nanti I akan cerita sekarang. bagi you all semua tak bongok you all. Okay you all? Sedap guna perkataan bongok hari ni you all. Sial lah. Adakah aku nak pakai suara baggy bagi suara ketat pula. Sial. Sekejap kita dengar lagu from Warner Brothers. Kejap lagu ni lah you all. Ada siapkan apa tu warna rambut untuk malam ni. I nak colour rambut. I ingat nak colour rambut hari ni. Item sampai nak pakai lah suara baggy you all. Bagi tunjuk kat you all. Dapatkan ni Sahara Desert tak? Sahara Snow in Sahara. Dapatkan Snow in Sahara sekarang. Ni ada dalam I punya showcase ada you all. Sekarang dah pukul apa? 7 lebih dah. Ada masa sikit je tapi sempatlah I akan cerita bukan nak cakap pasal the giver of life malam ni you all. Malam ni cakap pasal lain lah you all. Malam ni pasal colour rambut lagi nak dengar lagu meletup. Dapatkan Kurma Ajwa untuk jangan kena sihir. Nabi Muhammad tu kena sihir kan. So ni untuk mengelakkan sihir makan ni. Kurma Ajwa. Siapa tahu who is the Al-Muhyi? Allah Tuhan yang memberi kehidupan. Jesus was roti kehidupan. Jesus was the bread of life. So what is life meaning to you? Kehidupan you all indah ke buruk setiap hari? Okay, kita stop lagu. Kita cakap terus direct. Ada masa sekejap je. Dah nak maghrib dah. So, Al-Muhyi, kita ingat siapa Al-Muhyi. Allah is the giver of life. Allah memberi kehidupan kepada kita. So, kita hendaklah sangat-sangat bersyukur. Allah is the quickener. Allah is the quickener and the giver of life. Only Allah gives life, strength and health. Allah is the source of all life on this beautiful planet Earth. Allah instills life into all the living creatures of the creation. Without immense power of Allah, there would be no existence. No existence. Understand? So the baby lived inside his mother's womb because Allah arranged for him to be fed. Allah said in the Believer chapter of the Believer, verse 67 to 68. A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is Allah who has created you from dust, then from a sperm drop, then from a leech-like clot. Then does Allah get you out into the light as a child? Then lest you grow and reach your age of full strength. Then lest you become old, though of you there are some who die before, and lest you reach a term appointed in order that you may learn wisdom. It is Allah who gives life and death, and when Allah decides upon an affair, Allah says to it, be, and it is. Sadaqallahul Azim. Have you ever wondered about the first moment of our creation in that little workshop within our mother's womb? Our Father did not interfere in this process, nor did our mother have any control over it. Eh? So sebenarnya hari bapa, Father's Day, so I speak about father here. In an instant that was unnoticed by either of our parents, two seeds became one somewhere inside our mother's body. The union resulted in an egg that went up into the womb. It fed from the blood of our mother, who supplied it with sufficient minerals, proteins, and vitamins in the right doses until it became a lump of flesh. The lump of flesh changed, the various organs and limbs were shaped and grew in the assigned places. Eyes, beautiful ears, beautiful brain, a liver, a beautiful heart, and all the necessary parts of the body appeared, surrounded by bones and muscles in the right places. In brief, every part of the body is in its proper place. The body then receives a soul to enable it to live and form feelings, forms good feeling, form beautiful feeling and thoughts. When the baby is fully ready to function, the little woodshop that is the mother's womb turns it out into this beautiful world. Every day, thousands of babies are born in this fashion around the world. However, they are not two alike in terms of their shape, their looks, their voice, their expression, their skills, their strength, their talent, and their behavior. Even if 1,000 babies all shared a unique father, they would all be different. All this happens according to the will of God, Almighty Allah, the only God of the entire universe, without any interference from parents who are powerless in this respect. So Allah created this beautiful world as a place for all of us, mankind, to live in His infinite wisdom. So in order to be wisdom, to get wise, so we must remember Allah the wise. Allahumma ya Hakim 300 times daily before sunrise. Allah placed plants and animals on this beautiful planet Earth as well, so that we all could feed ourselves. The heat of the sun causes the water to evaporate and form clouds in the blue sky. The wind blows the clouds towards the land, where they solidify into water that comes down to us again as rain. Rhythm, listen to the rhythm of the rain. You can listen if you can. If you want, you have to practice. By the God will, you can learn, you can hear the rain singing. The rain brings life back to the vegetation, and the revived plants produce fruits, vegetables, and flowers, which are part of our nourishment. The rays of the sun also cause the plants to undergo the process of photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide we exhale is absorbed by plants, which in turn produce carbohydrate and oxygen. This ensures a continuous supply of oxygen for man. Huh? So Shah Alam is the low carbon city, Bandaraya Anggrek, Bandaraya Anggrek. So the rays of the sun also cause the plants to undergo the process of photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide we exhale is absorbed by plants, which in turn produce carbohydrate and oxygen. This ensures a continuous supply of oxygen for us. This thus did Allah create man and give us life. Okay, God created us and give us life. So we must remember Allah 68 times in the morning, very morning before sunrise, early morning, first thing, Al-Muhi, Allahumma ya Muhi, ya Muhi. Only 68 times, very short time, limited time. Okay, Allah also created the earth as a suitable dwelling for us with sufficient food, water, and oxygen. Everything was thought out and created according to perfection. For verily Allah is most wise and most merciful to all of us. Having created all that, Allah did not just abandon us on this beautiful planet Earth. Allah gave us rules and laws that are perfectly adapted to all of us. By following them, all of us occupies a place of honor among the rest of the creation, and we are able to realize our full potential. Our hidden qualities are nurtured until they become our strength. So tomorrow we remember Allah, the strengthener, the giver of victory, 140 times at this hour and also after Isha prayer. So this is the reason why the first communities of Muslims, despite their small numbers, now become bigger, grow. So most majority of Russian Muslims now is a Muslim country, established communist Muslim country. Easily defeated their enemies. In His boundless generosity, Allah has provided His creatures with more than sufficient sustenance in order to enable them to live on this beautiful planet Earth. Each form of life on this beautiful planet Earth has its own food, which is different from one form of life to another. The sustenance we receive from, the sustenance rezeki yang kita terima daripada Allah setiap hari ni, the sustenance we receive from Allah never decreases and it never ends. Allah can feed all the creatures of this beautiful planet Earth and the heavens forever. None will ever go hungry if you believe in Allah. You never go thirsty and hungry, as Jesus, Prince of Mary, was the bread of life. Allah, who gave life to all of us while they are still in their mother's womb, while we were still in our mother's womb, continues to provide assistance to us throughout our life. Everything is already written. Okay, so thus it is Allah who gives life to all of us according to His will and His purpose. So in order to emulate the name Al-Muhi, Allahumma ya Muhi ya Muhi, only 68 times, limited time in the morning. So we need to rely entirely on Allah for all our deeds, obey Allah in all things, and cultivate the spirit of humility and devotion within ourselves, all Muslim. So I will let you know more in maybe tonight what's about what is the meaning really mean Ya Muhi, the giver of life. So sekarang dah nak maghrib. Okay, so thank you all Russian who Russian tak dapat tengok, tapi some dia sebab I post in YouTube, tapi dia boleh pergi ke Russian pun. Some people who they have Allah knows His way. So dekat YouTube ni, YouTube US, tapi Russian tak sampai. Okay ya, I tak perlu elaborate more. Okay you all, selamat petang, selamat malam. Semoga malam anda diberkati. Tak sampai sejam, so I tunggu. You all tak screen ke you all? Tap lah screen you all. Tap screen sikit-sikit. Okay, terima kasih you all. Hi, siapa ni? Ataullah. Thank you Ataullah kerana apa tu sudi join. So I invite Ataullah kejap. Ataullah kerja you all, dia kerja jahit baju. Dia nak jahit baju tapi baju I dah limited. Dah habis dah fashion untuk musim ni you all. Kejap. Baju batik lah, I suruh dia jahit baju batik. Cantik tak dia, tapi I kena present myself kat dia, sebab kalau buku baju dengan baju tak cantik you all. Tapi baju tu cantik, yang dia buat tu I pakai elok you all. Tapi kena, kalau tailor kena jumpa tailor jahit sendiri, ukur sendiri, dia buat sendiri baru cantik you all. I don't know bila I akan pergi, dia ada kedai jahit, bukan kilang jahit di Setapak. Dekat je Setapak you all. Okay you all, dah 70 orang view, tak ramai pun. Dekat screen pun tak ramai. Bagi 100 je petani you all. So you all can refer to my YouTube Budin 209 at Budin 209. Budin TV handle at Budin 209. You boleh cari di dalam YouTube kalau you miss apa, sebab I akan post to YouTube every day. Apa-apalah, doa ke apa-apa. Terima kasih you all kerana apa tu mengikuti live ini. I hope all the Russian people can follow YouTube ni. Terima kasih. Thank you for following. Bye bye now. Good night. Selamat malam you all. Orang Russia senang cakap Melayu you all. Thank you. Tak boleh nak end live ni you all. Tak boleh nak end live lah. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa je lah you all. Tak sampai 100 pun. Tak sampai 45 minit. 2 minit lagi nak sampai you all. Kau terbang jatuh you all. 2 minit lagi nak sampai. Tiba-tiba jatuh. Mencunam jatuh. Jatuh kat Israel. Israel nak keluar nak pergi serang Iran. Jatuh dalam negara sendiri. Coy you all.